So this is my oral presentation. It's our site on Kingston Road, and on the other side is Highway 401. This is our site, which is about 12,500 square meters. We put our entrance across from the other road there, so there could be stoplights if needed. We have our two restaurant buildings and our two retail/office buildings. The restaurants are approximately 250 square meters each, while the retail units, first floor is approximately 700 square meters. So we have 6 retail, 6 office suites in each building. We have the required 60 parking spaces, as you can see, on the loading area. We have solar panels on the roof pointing south. We have the green roof as required by Toronto City bylaw. And there's a gas station over to the east of the property. There's McDonald's to the west, and there is a residential area to the north. Yes, we also put a green area. We have trees, deciduous trees, to block the sun in the summer, let some sunlight heat go through in the winter from the south. And we will continue on to the first story. Here you can see we have our retail 6 suites. Each has its own bathroom. We have an entrance on the left here with a staircase and elevator to the second floor. We have our garbage unit for the whole building, fireproof walls, and a corridor on the back leading to a second stairwell to get to the second floor. We have some exits on the rear of the building for loading, and we will continue to the second floor, which is pretty basic layout. We have 6 office units. The one is a little bit smaller due to the stairwell. We have a corridor. We have a men and women's bath. We also have a universal washroom, the elevator, and the stairwell here. We put a lot of windows on the second floor facing south to get some of that sunlight in the winter. And we are moving on to the next area. This is our southern section of our building. We have the footings and the foundation wall, the entrances to the front to the office, to the retail units, the entrance to the lobby, and the elevators. We also have our solar panels. You can see here, this is our structural grid, 1 through 8 of our columns. We also have our 3 structural grids here. We have a parapet, and we will see more of this in our section view. Here's our section. You can see our floor joists, our concrete above the floor joists, our main level, and our roof here. Here's our elevator, our columns, which go with the structure lines. These are just the offices and the retail units. Our stairwell. Yes. This is our parapet detail, where you can see our joists sitting on the beam, the steel deck for the rigid insulation, our roofing membrane. We have our wall, which is made up of plywood, 152 millimeter steel studs, plywood again, then our rigid insulation, airspace, and finally our brick veneer. Thank you for joining me.